I'm ready, doctor.
Okay, so that was 1 minute. Okay.
Okay.
So
Excuse me, doctor. I know the patient or no?
it's a medical clinic. You probably don't, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready? Go.
Hello. Come in and have a seat, please.
Thank you, doctor. Hello. Yeah, yes.
I am Doctor. I am one of
Okay.
the physician in this clinic. How can I help you?
Uh, well, doctor, I had this cut on my upper left thigh, and that's because I fell down on a sharp piece of metal, and then I just thought it's
Mhm.
nothing serious, and just I
Yes.
put a bandage on it, and
Mhm.
yeah, last night it started to get very red and sore, and it has some swelling as well, and
Yeah.
it's I couldn't
Mhm.
sleep basically.
Okay.
So yeah, I just thought I need to come and have it looked at.
Okay. I'm sorry to hear about this. Would you mind if I ask you some questions?
Not at all. Go ahead, please.
Okay. When did it happen?
Oh, it was 3 days ago, actually. Yeah, and it wasn't that sore. I just put some bandage on.
Okay. Did you apply anything on it, for example, an ointment, antibiotics, or like this?
No, no, I didn't. No, it was just a little bit painful since yesterday, so I took some paracetamol.
Okay. And is it painful?
Oh, it is, yes, quite painful.
Okay. Do you have any disease like diabetes or hypertension or any disease that
Um,
you take medication regularly?
no, not actually. I don't have any illnesses.
Okay. Okay. Would you mind if I examine your card?
It's okay, doctor, but it's quite sore. Yes.
Yes, I understand. I check it gently. I want to tie up the band that you put on your card very
Okay.
gently, and I check your card. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It seems red and swollen,
Oh,
as
it
you
hurts.
mentioned.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
yes, I
yeah.
understand. Yes. Uh, yes, I must do this. It's very important for checking that I see is there anything in your cot, foreign body or dirty things in your cot. It's very important.
Okay.
Okay. So over I want to go to your what you say to me that this cut happened 3 days ago, and it becomes sore and red and swollen yesterday, and you put only a bandage on this. Okay, is it true?
Yeah, a bandage. Yeah, and I changed the bandage 3 times actually. It's because I had a shower every day, and after the shower I changed the bandage.
It's a very good things that you did. And did you wash it completely or not?
Yes, I mean, except for yesterday because it was too painful, so I couldn't clean it. I just changed the bandage.
Okay. And I understand it's very hard for you. And about your immunization, I want to know that did you take tetanus injection recently? Have you taken?
Not recently. I think I just had my injections as a child. I don't think I had anything after that.
Okay. So, based on your symptoms and your examination, it means that your wound seems to be infected and it requires in treatment, antibiotics, and applying some ointment on your wound.
Okay, so
And
you're going to give
also,
me,
because
okay.
yes, and also another thing is very important to inject and tetanus for you because you don't remember the last dose.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sure. That's fine. So a tetanus
Uh,
injection. And but it's
yes,
very painful, doctor. And
I,
so
I
I don't want you
understand.
to touch it really.
Yes, I understand. We give you some antibiotics and we check it tomorrow. If the wound was better, we continue our treatment. But if it deteriorated and maybe you need surgical debridement, it means that remove of unhealthy tissue in your cut, and it's very necessary if your cut have some problem tomorrow also.
Oh, a surgical debridement. What is that? You said?
Uh, we want to remove the unhealthy tissue in your cut. Maybe it is painful, but we do it under anesthesia, and don't worry about this.
Okay. Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
doctor.
Do you have any other concerns?
No, that's it. Thank you, doctor.
Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we ran over 1 minute, but good. Okay. So how did that feel?
Some not bad, not good, as before.
Okay. So feeling uh, just okay, not bad,
Yes,
not good. Okay, as before.
yes.
Uh, right. Okay. What do you think you did well?
I think gathering information, rapport, and I think rapport and attentive listening and giving information.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Anything that you could do better, you think?
yes, my fluency and grammar.
Okay. Fluency and grammar. Okay. What else?
And managing the time better.
Time management. Okay.
Yes.
Anything else?
And signposting, I think I didn't do.
Signposting. I think you did actually. Okay. So how about others? What do you think?
Doctor, I did well, and I think about clinical communication criteria, she did well, and I only heard some grammar errors.
Mhm.
Otherwise, was great.
Okay. Yeah. Good.
Yes.
Okay. How about
Yeah, it was great, doctor.
anything could be better?
No, I think it was good.
Okay. Uh, is here or?
Yes, I'm here, but I've connected recently and I haven't listened anymore to role
Okay.
play. Role play. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. Well, my only.
And
Uh,
I think the doctor also was is here.
do you have any comments?
No, I'm just connected to conversation.
Okay, you just arrived. Okay, so the only thing is, I think you had to ask about tetanus earlier. So, and we want open questions first and closed questions next. So basically, you said, okay, when did this happen, and how did this happen? I said how, and how long. Okay, how long have you had the pain since last night? What did you do to help? Bandaged and took paracetamol. Okay. And then you need to ask now close questions. Do you have any other illnesses that you ask? Very good. Did you have or have you had a tetanus injection recently? Okay, so you need to ask this now, and then so you next you go and you summarize. And about the signposting that you said, when you summarize, you say, okay, now would you mind if I had a look at it? Okay, would you mind if I had? Okay, now I heard some you used a few conditional sentences, but they weren't correct. So we say, would you mind if I had a look at it? Okay. Because it is a second conditional, okay?
Okay.
Not if I have a look at it. Would you mind if I had a look at it? Okay. And the other thing is, if it is infected tomorrow, you're talking about future, not if it was or if it were. So if it is infected tomorrow, then we will do something. We will have to do some surgical debridement. Okay.
Okay.
So when you're talking about future, you use if it is and we will.
Okay.
When you're using would, you use past tense. So would you mind if I had a look at it? Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. We usually don't say disease. We say, do you have any other illnesses? Well, it's the usual way of saying it. We don't say, do you have any disease?
Okay.
Okay. You mentioned hypertension at some point, which is, we should say,
Yes.
like high blood pressure or any other illnesses. And
Okay.
you said, I'm going to tie up your bandage.
Okay.
Tie up. Tie up means to tie it, actually. So what should you
Untie.
say?
Untie. Untie.
We usually say, I'm going to remove the bandage, if that's okay. Yeah, to
Okay.
remove the bandage.
Remove.
We say something is necessary. We don't usually use very. We cannot say it's very necessary. So it's really necessary, not very necessary. Okay,
Okay.
good.
Okay.
But yeah, overall, I think you did very well. Except for, as you said, a little bit of fluency with what would you say? I mean, the way you speak is still you say the word separately. Okay, so you actually
Yes.
okay.